Here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this adorable little slouchy beanie hat. It is upcycled from a t-shirt. So what you need is a t-shirt of choice. You will need some scissors and a sewing machine, or you can sew it by hand. I'm going to use the machine. Okay. So what you do first is you are going to cut from one sleeve all the way to the other, and that will make a rectangle. Let me get that done. Okay, so I just took it and cut it from one sleeve to the other sleeve, and I'm going to discard the top part. We just need this rectangle right here. Now what we're going to do is take the rectangle and fold it in half. And on the part that is closed, we will cut that. And what this does is it makes two hats this size. So let me get that cut. Okay, I have cut this hat, or this shirt, the rectangle that I had folded over. I cut it in half. So now I'm going to just pull one away and work with the other piece. Now here comes the fun part, is sewing it. What you do is you take it and you turn it inside out, and you go to the sewing machine. Let me just set this right here. We're going to make sure that it's even. Okay, so you have the square. The part that was the hem of the shirt will now be the top of the or the bottom of the hat that goes across the head. So with a zigzag stitch, I'm going to sew zigzag all the way around the hat. I'm going to back stitch for a couple of stitches as two. Okay, now to make the curve of the hat, I go about 2 to 4 inches right here, and I'm just gonna sew at an angle from this point over, and then I'm going to sew all the way over and repeat that on this side. Okay, and then that was perfect. I just ran over the bottom. Okay, so then you end up with this right here. Okay, you see the line? Let me pull back a little bit. So now what we do is cut this extra material off, cut the end of the thread off, and cut this part. Alright, just like that. Does not have to be perfect at all. Then you reach in there and you turn your hat inside out. And that's it. It's done. That is the first hat. So let me show you what it looks like on the mannequin head. See, what's fun about this hat is you can make it super slouchy, or you can even pull it down and make it less slouchy, just depending on your mood, I guess. So there it is. It's like a 5-minute project, and I have one more hat to do after this from the leftover piece. Alright, happy sewing.